Stopped at the farmer's market today. Thought I'd show you guys how I cook corn.
Hey, my wife's filming. This is a ear of corn. This is the way it comes from the farm. A lot of you guys don't know how to cook this. I'm going to show you how to cook it in the microwave, which is the best way. I worked at Green Giant years and years ago when I was a young man, and I was a cooker. This isn't the way we cooked it in Green Giant, but this is the way we cooked it for ourselves in Green Giant. First of all, you take a sharp knife, and you see where the corn here starts to drop off? Well, you hit it right there, you cut it right before that. Cut it right through there, like so. Cut it off. Now, you just throw this piece away, like so. Okay. You take this piece of corn and you're going to put this in the microwave for 90 seconds. What you're doing is you're cooking this corn and its natural juices inside of here. And you know how hard it is to pull all that stuff off? Well, watch this. 90 seconds in the microwave on high. Here we go. 9 and a 0 and go. Oh, air conditioner came on. Let's shut that off. Don't need extra noise. Okay. While that's cooking, I'm going to give a plate out. Yeah. I don't like that plate. I like this plate. No, I like this plate. Better. Better plate.
Was that plate dirty?
Well, yes, it was dirty. I'm glad you asked because you're the one who washes dishes. I wasn't going to mention it, but I'm glad you did.
No, we have a dishwasher, remember?
Ah. Well, now I'm going to take my corn, my butter. You can see I've already put this on the corn once. You want to put salt and pepper on your corn. That's going to be hot, real hot. So get yourself an oven mitt, like so. Then you can grab it. Then you're going to grab it by the top, right by the tassel, and watch. You shake it, and any other time it would fall right out. This time it probably won't because I'm filming it. But this really does give you the best tasting corn, easiest way to cook it. The worst way to cook corn is to boil it. You're boiling out all the flavor. 60 seconds, 90 seconds is up. Grab it by the top, just like this. Now then, shake it down, and there it comes out. All the tassel stays in your hand. The corn is right there, nice, ready to butter. Now then, we just take the butter. Some of the tassel didn't come all the way off, but most of it did. This is late in the season corn. And on the beginning here is where we got it. Now you just take your butter and just rub your butter on it. And it'll melt right into the corn kernels. And if you don't have any of these are little corn holders. They work great. Here. Check, make sure we got all the butter on there. Oh yeah. That butter just melts right in. Another way you can do it if you're going to cook a lot of corn, we would get a big old coffee can and just melt it full of butter, and you just drop your corn right in there. Got to have butter on your corn. And you just salt and pepper it. What we do is we like salt and pepper about the same, so we just put the salt and pepper in the same thing. Anyway, that's the best way to eat corn on the cob. Best way to cook it. Eating it is pretty easy. Put it in your mouth. Hey, just another little tip here from RAThbun and greener than the gourd on the camera work. Yeah, that's it.